All right, on the bench, we have a mint Uniden Grant. Let me tell you, this thing might as well be new old stock. The only issue is the meter is stuck, but other than that, this thing is might as well have just come right out of the box. So this belongs to a local person, actually an Air Force vet, old Vietnam vet, and definitely took care of this. I had repaired another one of his radios in a previous video, actually his Midland. So this is his second radio, his Uniden, but comes with the he still has the which I think is probably one of the better mics that Uniden as well as President had, was the style mic here. But yeah, I mean, this thing still, the mic cord is still shiny. There is not a single flawed piece on this radio. Might as well be new old stock. So plan for this radio is to just recap it. Caps are old. Align it, and that's it. This thing's staying as original as possible. Meter light is staying. So yeah, that's really about it. Get it. It's got a high carrier, so we'll bring that back down to a normal level, and yeah, just bring everything back to stock, the way the radio was meant to be. So, but yeah, I mean, I can't stress enough how clean this radio looks. Not a single scratch on it. So when I talked to him, I think he said he had put it away in the well, he never really used it much in the 80s, and then he just put it away, and you know, here we are. But yeah, let me it's really not going to be a long video or anything really involved. It's going to be a straightforward recap and alignment, but yeah, I just wanted to show this radio off because it is in really nice shape. And then yeah, we'll do our tests, like I always do, the usual tests once I get this recapped and aligned. So yeah, let me get at this. All right, stand by, guys. All right, well, radio's aligned and recapped. Yeah, it's working good. Meter is unstuck, so that's working good. Get a lot of skip coming in, especially overseas, crossover in Europe. But yeah, look at these caps here. So I think when I counted, it was either 37 or 38 caps. But of those 37 to 38 caps, we have there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, what, 11 of the caps are 10 volt caps in this specific radio. So, and in my experience, these gray YEC caps tends to be the worst ones as far as leaking, and you know, just they're just old. So but these tend to be the worst ones of all the older caps. But yeah, it's always good practice to recap the whole radio. I know there's some people out there that just don't think recapping is necessary, which is false. But if you belong to that crowd of people, at least do the 10 volt caps in these radios. Again, recapping is yeah, believe it or not, I you know, I have people that will send a radio in to be aligned and don't want their radios recapped. Don't ask me why. It's just, it is what it is with them. But yeah, at the very minimum, do the 10 volt caps. But the radio is working. Great. These older Grants are tough to beat. You know, they're essentially Cobra 148 GTLs. That's what they are. Yeah, but I prefer the older, they're just better builds. The older Grants versus the Grant XLs, but that's just my opinion. And I think it's a nicer looking radio. Definitely screams out early 80s. You know, so yeah, here we go. It's 38 lower sideband, tons of skip. But what I'll do is I'll get this. Sorry about that. Press the stop button by mistake. I'll get this covered, and we'll do our usual tests. All right, stand by. All right, let's see how this thing looks like on the scope and on the watt meter, and then we'll proceed to do our receive tests and just go forward through. All right, so yeah, right around what, 13? And I guess let's try let's do sideband. Two-tone. Of course, it's not going to stabilize. Hold on. All right, let's go. Sorry about the flickering. All right, that's sideband. All right, so now let's do our receive tests. And yeah, that's basically it. So, all right. Meter's right at the spot it should be at. On transmit. All right. All right, let me get this hooked up to the signal generator. All right, we're on channel 19. We're in S9. All right. Let's do our sensitivity test. Sorry about the tone. It's minus 100. 110. That's 120, too much. So it's about there, 12. We got 110, 11, 12, 13, minus 113. That's really good. All right. Let's proceed here. All right, we're on channel 19 here. I've got the mic gain just so it won't cause any feedback issues. Check. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Audio. Checking out this Uniden Grant, original Grant. Sounding really good. Yeah, I got this radio tuned up pretty good, I think. Good sounding radio, anyway. Yeah, radio check. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, let's go on with our tests, and we'll put her on air and see what's going on out there. All right, let's see what's going on out there. I got the stock mic hooked up as well. See if we can get a radio check. Let's try it lower side bin.
Again, thanks for the contact. 32, St. Paul, Minnesota, 73, my friend. 138 New Jersey, good morning, sir. 138 New Jersey, 32, Minnesota. Where's the golden rule in that, dude? Good morning. Gotcha. Yeah, thanks for the contact. It's a brand new making swimmer. You know, if we lose these two from now on, we're going to do that rescue dog thing and get an old one that needs a home. Nobody wants it with all that trip. That's the way we're going to do it. We've always lost puppies, but 338 in the mobile, Tennessee mobile, 777 Music City. Years ago, that Music City was the puppy. Actually, you got her rescued her. She's only 4 years old, but yeah, you can do both. How about you, 338 Tennessee mobile? TXT, get it. You can try it. We're not dead yet, you know, and sprays on your saw. Needs to be corrected. Since a lot of other people don't want to do it, they're supposed to.
It's busy as usual. Back to AM.
We'll make it bigger.
Yeah, New York City, I've got you, my friend. This is 156, waving back at you.
Roger on that, 113. My little brother, what's going on up there today? People who advertise to the world.
Okay, my friend, 73 tonight. This is 156, waving to you.
Good morning to Tango November 777. That's Tennessee Mobile 777, Music City.
How about a TN 777? How about a TN 777? You got 320 Boston in your radio.
Yeah, 389, man, you're booming in here. A good 5 on a 9-bar, solid signal, straight up and down, baby. Riverside, roll out it is. Oh, man, you're sounding awfully good this morning. Hey, man, maybe you worry. I mean, I'm not...
All right, guys, I'm gonna end this. I'm gonna end this video here. But we got ourselves a good working Uniden Grant ready to be put back into service. All right, guys, thanks for watching.